agus míle fáilte go UCD. A very warm welcome to UCD on behalf of Gaeltacht UCD, the University's Global Centre for Irish Language and Culture. We're here to ensure that you have ample opportunity to engage with the Irish language and its associated culture while you're on campus. We offer a range of services for undergraduate and postgraduate students and for all UCD employees across all faculties. I'd like to tell you about one of these services. We will offer courses in the Irish language. Our courses are offered at 4 levels, from beginner to advanced. This includes a level for complete beginners for those who may have had no prior exposure to the language prior to arriving in Ireland. This term, our classes will be held online. Our friendly tutors will provide live tuition via Zoom in small groups. Those with the basic knowledge of Irish say they gain a greater insight into the traditional culture of Ireland, its folklore, traditional music, traditional song, for example. And taking a course with us is very simple. Courses are free of charge and you can register on our website, Gaeltacht UCD. Alternatively, you can message us on social media, Twitter, Facebook or Instagram. Más caintear Gaeilge ho hana féin agus gur bhíonn leat snas a chur de chud Gaeilge bí dagfa linn. No má tá seirbhís nó scill le tairiscint agat dúin, bí dagfa linn freisin. You can also email us at rangana.gaeilge@ucd.ie.